Last year, DJI dropped this drone under 300 euros, which can record 4K 30 frames per second and weighs less than 249 grams. This is DJI Mini 4K. In this video, I'm going to talk about the specifics of this drone. We're going to take some footages. Today we are in the Iznik, so in other words, the ancient city of Nicaea. It's near Istanbul and it has really good places to take different footage. So watch the entire video. The DJI Mini 4K can shoot 4K at 30 frames per second and 2.7K at 60 frames per second, all stabilized by a 3-axis gimbal. It uses DJI's reliable OcuSync 2.0 transmission system for a range of up to 10 kilometers. But to be honest, from my experience, as I used this drone like for 2 weeks, don't expect too much about a range in this drone, because when you exceed 5 kilometers, the signals start getting worse. It has a flight time around 31 minutes per battery, though real-world time is about 26-28 minutes depending on wind. And a quick tip here, if you're flying in windy areas, set your return to home altitude higher to avoid losing signal. Otherwise, you're gonna lose your drone or drop it. So now we're gonna make the first fly with the drone, and which is really beginner friendly and easy to fly. And place it to the ground. And we have the remote controller. Just open this and you have to place your phone, whether it's Android or iPhone, it's compatible for both of them. You place your phone here, but actually before you have to grab this cable. If you're using a iOS, so an iPhone, you have to use an iPhone cable, which comes together with a drone inside the box. And yeah, so you open the phone and you install this app in your phone. It's available in App Store for the Apple users, and unfortunately for Android users, it's not available in Play Store, but you can install easily from the DJI's official store in Google. So let's connect it. First of all, press and hold press second time. Same way the drone. Here's a button, but before turning on, you remove this gimbal cover like this. So this gimbal is 3-axis gimbal, which provides a good stabilization. Place it to the ground. Make sure the wings don't touch the grass or anything. I mean, it's better if I take the bag here, place it on the ground, and yeah. So from this button, you press and hold second time. As you see, the drone is turned on. So here is an RGB LED, and when it connects with the phone, this turns just white color. Now take this screws and place to the joystick, and finally connect the cable. Yeah, so as you can see, you go fly, and yeah, right now it's connected. There are 16 satellites available. Make sure to have enough satellites, like more than 10 satellites, so the drone doesn't get out of control. So for taking off, here is an icon. You click on it and hold press takeoff. As you can see, now the drone took off. So guys, with this, you move up and down and left and right. It's still there, but you move left and right. And with the right one, with the right joystick, you can go back, forward, oops. You can go left and right. So, as I said, it can record at a quality of 4K 30 frames per second, as well as 2.7K with 60 frames per second. So I usually use this because it's more smooth and quality decent enough. So now you click on this icon and it starts recording. And let's take some footage. Here is another like scroll button. When you scroll it like left, the gimbal turns down, and when you scroll it right, the gimbal goes up. So as you can see, also there is a button here for cinematic and sport footage. Like if you use it on cinematic mode, it's gonna be slower for a smooth and clearer and quality footage. And the sport mode is like the FPV. With the sport mode, it goes up to 50 kilometers per hour. With the cinematic mode, of course, it's less, like 20 or up to 30, like that.
Unlike the more expensive DJI Mini 4 Pro, this drone doesn't have obstacle avoidance, but it still comes with quick shots like drone, rocket, circle, and helix, so you can make a bunch of cinematic moves with one tap.
Here you can see there are quick shots, which are automatic moves. So there are drone, rocket, circle, helix, boomerang, and you can make a panorama. It's like 3D. So let's try drone. So you select yourself. Here's the distance. Here you select how far you want it to go. So for example, I select, no, this is too much. Let's make it like 40 meters. There are also so many birds, guys. They are like predators. Once they attacked my drone. Actually, it returns automatically to home, so the starting point, but I prefer it to make manually. As you can see, guys, it goes so fast in the sport mode. Now let's land. So again, you press this and land. I think it's great.
Now we are going to Iznik Castle and we'll try to get some footage there. It will be a bit difficult. In my own country, Kosovo, drones weighing under 249 grams can fly freely, and I thought it would be like the same in Turkey, but according to what I researched on the internet, flying drones in Turkey is prohibited and a permit is definitely required. Even if the drone is under 249 grams, like in my case, a permit is still required. So make sure to check the law of the country that you're gonna fly your drone. You may notice something here. The video quality deteriorates a bit due to sunlight. In other words, the camera cannot adjust the light balance very well, so you can use additional filters against the sun by attaching them to the camera. I did some filming here at the ancient Neophytos monastery. It was a very beautiful area. Like, this shot captures the meeting point of the beach and the sea with the ruins of an ancient structure in the middle. I think this is the best shot I've ever taken. Let's watch it together.
The quality is tremendous. Yeah, pretty good. We can actually make a quick shot. Let's make a quick shot. Bro, something hit. Oh, something hit my drone. Something hit my... I'm not gonna make quick shots here, guys, because there are so many birds near to the basilica, so I don't want to risk the drone. The gates are already closed and I cannot take my drone back. And also, there's sea. If my drone falls down, it's gonna break.
The result actually is surprisingly good, dynamic range, decent low light performance, and that gimbal does a fantastic job keeping things smooth. Actually, considering its price, I'm really satisfied with drone's performance, starting with a 4K shooting resolution. Even though it's not in 60 frames per second, it does a really good job. You can use it both in cinematic and also like FPV drone. In my opinion, it's perfect for travelers, for beginners, for content creators that travel, for example, taking shot of an ancient building or any place like beach. In my opinion, this drone is worth it. That's about this video, guys. I hope this video helped you, and see you in the next one.